everybody, this is JR Murillo and you are watching on JR Murillo's account here in YouTube. I'm here again in Marikina. Ayan. Makikita nyo rito sa Marikina, ito yung aming Ulandes Sewage Treatment Plant. Ang goal nito is protecting the Marikina River for the future generations. Ayan. Ito yung Marikina River. Straight ahead is the Eastwood Center. Yan yung mga planta. That's the river. Straight ahead. You can see. Yan. Yeah, well, that's the treatment sewage plant. Sewage treatment plant made by Manila Water is to treat waters from the residents, yung mga maruruming tubig na nililinis ng treatment facility na ito, wherein para pag dumaloy ito sa river, ito ay malinis na. Ayan, makikita nyo dyan sa video ito ang isang tubig na treated na. Ayan, habang ito ay dumadaloy na sa river. Ayan, medyo hindi pa ganong malinis yung river kasi napakadumi talaga. Well, at kahit pa paano may pagbabago. Ayan. May nangingisda na sa dulo. Ayan. That is the Manila Water Sewage Treatment Plant project by Marikina and Manila Water and also MWSS. Ayan. Makikita niyo yan. So this is it, guys. This is JR Murillo and you are watching my JR Murillo. Good day and have a good day.